Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever struggled to fix a typo in a Reddit comment or email because the iPhone cursor jumps around, you're gonna love this trick. Today, I'm showing you a hidden iPhone keyboard hack that turns your spacebar into a trackpad for super precise text editing. It's quick, easy, and most people don't even know it exists. Let's jump in. Picture this. You're typing something in Notes or Reddit and you spot a mistake. Tapping the screen to place the cursor is super frustrating, right? Here's the trick. Just press and hold the spacebar. Okay, I'm in iPhone Notes app trying to fix a typo. The word test should be text here. But placing the cursor just right can be super annoying. And here's the trick. Just press and hold the spacebar. See how the keyboard goes blank? That means it's now a trackpad. You can slide your finger around to move the cursor exactly where you want it. A quick tip. Once the cursor is in the right spot, release the spacebar first, then lift your finger. If you lift your finger too early, the cursor might jump back. iOS needs you to let go of the spacebar to confirm the position. This works in Message, Notes, Safari, basically anywhere you type. It has been around since iOS 12, so it works on most iPhones. No special model needed. That's it for today. The spacebar trackpad trick is a total game changer for fixing typos and editing text. Try it out and let me know in the comments if this works for you. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell for more iPhone tips every week. Thank you for watching. See you next time.